I'm gluing this plywood panel down to a wooden frame that's underneath it. And because I have it set up on the corner of my workbench, it's very easy to clamp the three of the corners. Well, what about this outside corner? What do I do about that? I don't have a clamp long enough to reach from the edge of the workbench, but I don't need one because I'm going to clamp it down with simply a scrap of wood. And you just position it at about a 45-degree angle so it overlaps the workpiece there, right on the corner. We're going to set in some screws. These are just 3-inch drywall screws. I'm just going to drive them in right to the workbench. Now you don't want to drive one in all the way because it'll pull up the wooden strap. Tighten the first one, then tighten the second one. Then go back and tighten the first one, do a little at a time. And once those pulled tight, just like that, look at that, rock solid. By driving in those screws, it pulls that piece of wood down, and that's fully clamped. Now you just have to wait for the glue to dry.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Type Bond, the pro's advantage.